Today we're gonna be playing Piggy Don't Test. Don't press the piggy head.
Don't press the piggy head with a special code. Wow.
Wow, you can also get free rocks from it
Free route?
if you touch it. And the codes, Robux codes.
I need free routes.
Okay.
Free Robux.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh. Man, I'm so cool. Come on. I have to wait so long. Okay.
Hey, have you heard of Raid Shadow Legends?
Hey. Hey, I've...
Hey. Hey, tough talk from the...
Ugh! Oh! Pooh!
Hey, small sock. Oh.
This game is... I can never run from my problems! Come on. I'm going so far. Come on. No, it's like my problems in life. I can't outrun it. Oh man, I did it all by myself. Come on. What if I do? Come on. Let's go. Don't touch. Oh! What the heck? I want to become... Oh. Oh. Pucka. Pucka's like my specialty on this video. No it isn't. Never mind. I'll just keep on dreaming. What the heck is wrong with this? What? What the heck? Okay, we can do this. Oh, come on, we have the whole squad. We have Lil Timmy 25, and we also have Lisa Gaming 5. So we have the team. I want to... What is this video game? Oh, come on! This one's easy. I just keep on running away. Oh, you can just keep on turning. That's surprising. What? This is funny music. Come on. I touched it. Haha. Uh-oh. Come on. No, this thing. Dude, this game sucks. Oh man, at the end of the day, you can't escape from your problems. That's a good life. Oh. That's simple! Haha, I touched it. What? Oh, just moving. Oh, they're moving us. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, we're doing this. Come on, I have the one. I have the one. I have the one. No. 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 Ugh. Yeah, I could just stand on the piggy head. Be fine. We have the team VIP. We also have lovely Stacy. Okay, this is easy. I've seen so much of these in my time playing Ubies, so cause I know what to expect, cause that's how epic swaggy I am. Dream, dream, dream. Dude. Yes, I am, Zach, so shut up. So, we're doing epicness. I don't know, but this feels something familiar. Like, don't touch. No, I'm done, bro. This game sucks. I hope you enjoy Stacked Squad. You know, we have Alice. We also have and yeah, we have. Yes, yeah. So, I want to become Pepper. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna wrap it off at this, cause like, you know, I'm about to wait to quit. Cause this game's quality, like the best quality. Oh my god, he's right behind me. Come on, I'm gonna finish this. Oh, I'm invisible! Wait, do I get invisible puck? Ah, too late. Wait, that makes me invisible, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Like and subscribe for epic content like this. So poo. Peace out.